consistent is the main goal of any successful grow. You can't do this one time and think you want it. You got to do it over and over again, which means you have to understand the entire process to fully comprehend the consequences of not doing something correctly or having inefficient time to even do the thing correctly. It really takes a complete knowledge of the operations from the building all the way down to what the staff should do on a Tuesday. That really comes down to experience, and we have a lot of experience in this facility build-out phase. So our commercial consulting services include design and layout for buildings, upgrading current facilities. We do the material sourcing for equipment and hardline materials. And we also do the troubleshooting of any problems you're having in your current needs of the facility.
So contact us today at GrowPro Solutions, and we're going to take your project and bring it to life.
Let's grow some fire.